At the second dialogue platform for solid waste management for the Tara Drina Sava region, which is being held for 2 days in Banja Koviljoča, Serbia, the report from the analysis of the impact of the floating waste on the economy and the environment was presented to the representatives of line ministries, municipalities, public utility companies, private operators and the civil sector.
Влиянието е монетаризирано во парични средства, така што учесниците стануваат свесни која е вредноста на влиянието, односно, обратно, можат да размислуваат наместо тие губитоци, како тие пари би ги инвестирале во спречување на проблемот.
The funds required for cleaning or removal of the waste from the established critical locations are enormous, which in itself is an indicator of the kind of regional problem we are facing, as well as of the urgent need to be overcome as soon as possible.
To je jedan katastrofalan podatak, znači koliko novca je potrebno da bi se umanjilo to smeće, mislim, koje prave ljudi koji tu žive, jer te svote su jednostavno neverovatne. Ja danas pola stvari jednostavno nisam mogla vjerovati da to toliko košta.
Kad bi se sistematski rešavalo, koliko bi se onda novca sačuvalo za neke druge potrebe i za neka druga rešavanja u životu koja su nam isto tako bitna. Znači moramo se boriti protiv toga i prosto naći načina sistemski da se to pitanje što pre i na najbolji mogući način reši.
On the other hand, the cleaning of the hydroelectric plants has also a large financial impact on the local economies, because the largest part of the floating waste ends up in their reservoirs. Apart from leaving an unpleasant visual impression, this waste also damages the equipment for producing electricity. This is especially the case during the high water level in the rivers, when the waste transits the river basins in the whole region.
Slike koje se mogu vidjeti na jezeru Peroćac u pojedinim vremenskom intervalu su zaista neverovatne. To je strašno.
There is another striking indicator of the significance of the inadequate waste management on the development of tourism, especially on attracting foreign visitors. In one survey, 8 out of 10 tourists who visited the region said that they will never come again.